Welcome to the guard seat overview video. Easily remove or install guards using 2 wedge clamps and our guard seats. Guard seats are compact by design with no sharp edges. Single seat or double seat brackets are suitable for most guard applications. Double guard seats include provisions for full cord eyelets. Guard seats improve the ergonomics of removing and reinstalling flat guards with one person. Guard seats allow the person removing the guard to test the weight before completely removing the guard from the seat. Guard seats are zinc plated for long-lasting durability with stainless steel options available. Guard seats can be installed at varying heights for ground clearance and elevation changes. Barrier posts are shipped complete with wedge clamps and guard seats installed. Please note, when using wedge clamps, some regulations require a cable tie and tool to remove the guards.